welcome back. Sometime last year I decided to go natural and I cut off all my permed hair, and I've been trying to grow my hair back since then. So if you can see, it's really grown. It's grown a lot since I cut it. And I use this homemade deep conditioner when I wash my hair, and I think it's really helped my hair. So I'm just gonna show you how to make your own deep conditioner at home using natural ingredients. It's very easy to make and it works really well. So what you need is 1 avocado, and then you need some mayonnaise as well. This is avocado. I've already mashed this up, so you need to mash up your avocado, and then I'm gonna add this mayo to it. So I've just added about 2 tablespoons of mayo to my avocado, and I'm going to mix it up properly. And that's my deep conditioner. Really, it's, like I said, it's very easy to make, cheap, and it works really well for black natural hair. So I've already washed my hair. I've used my shampoo. I make my shampoo at home as well. So I've washed my hair, I've used the shampoo, and I've removed the excess water from it. So I'm just gonna apply the my conditioner to the hair. So I'm gonna pat the hair just to make it easy to apply. Just pat it into 4 places, and I'm going to apply I'm using my camera as my mirror. So I'm just gonna apply my deep conditioner to my hair. Actually, I think it would have been better if I'm using a mirror. We'll be able to see better. Then oops, I'm making a mess now. I've got a towel here. I've got an apron that I was going to use, but I forgot all about it. I think I'm still going to just use it so I don't mess up my whole I got this apron from the palm shop, and it's been really useful. And I've got a towel here as well in case it gets all messy. So this time I'm going to use the mirror. Okay, so this should make applying this easier. Just apply the conditioner to your hair. Make sure it covers everything. I tried some shop bought deep hair conditioner when I newly started carrying my natural hair, but I didn't really find them helpful. So I decided to try different things and to see which one really works for my hair. And I found that this really it's the easiest for me, and it really works. It avoids frizz. When you use this, it gets rid of the frizz in the hair, and then it actually gets rid of breakages, because black hair, I don't know, it's a bit difficult to manage because my hair is quite thick, so it's a bit difficult to manage. But I realized that when I use this, it gets softer, and it's easier for me to manage. So like I said, make sure you cover all your hair. I only use 1 avocado, which is enough for the length of my hair. If your hair is really long, you may need more than 1. But for me, with the length of my hair, you can see how long my hair is. 1 avocado is just perfect. Okay. I'm just trying to make sure everything is covered, that nothing is left out. Alright, I think everything is covered now. So I still have a bit left, so I'm just going to spread this all over the hair. So once I've applied my avocado based deep conditioner, I just leave the hair, I leave it on my hair for about half an hour, minimum of half an hour. Okay. So that's it. So I'm gonna leave this on for about 30 minutes, and then I'll wash off the conditioner from it, and then I'll show you what my hair looks like once it's been washed off. I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, welcome back. So I've washed up the conditioner from my hair, and you can see my hair, it's easier to comb. Just look at that. And then if your hair was breaking before you actually use this conditioner, it stops breaking. So if you look at my, nothing is coming out now. It's really works. It's easier to manage when you use it, and then it stops the breakages. It stops the hair from breaking. Okay, so that's my deep conditioning done. What I normally do when I've washed up the conditioner is I just apply a bit of my normal regular conditioner that I use almost every day to get rid of the the smell of the avocado. So if you're bothered about the smell of the avocado, once you've washed up the deep conditioner, just apply some of your regular conditioner and it gets rid of the smell. And I tried adding some egg to my conditioner in the past, but I did not like the outcome because it used to drip, and I didn't find that funny at all. It drips all over you. So if you want to add some egg to your conditioner, you can do it. You can add egg to the avocado and the mayonnaise, or you can add some honey, but this mixture of avocado and mayonnaise really works for me, and I'm sure if you try it as well, you will love it. It's really good for natural black hair, natural hair. And I didn't try with my hair when I was perming my hair, but I'm sure it's going to work for that as well. But for people that have natural hair, black people with natural hair, this really works. So I hope you found this video helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, share the video with your friends and family members, and leave your comments and your questions below, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Missing someone